Camera is rolling, guys.
Hello. We got
Camera is rolling, guys. What do we have?
We got turkey.
We got what?
Turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah, look on the back. It's on the
Alright. Okay, right here. Show the turkey, guys.
Give me all more.
Camera's rolling, guys.
No.
Be careful.
Careful, bro.
Look.
Hey, don't shake it too much.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a car behind us.
Yeah.
It's I saw the turkey.
Yeah, that's turkey.
Bumpy over here. So
Interview.
Boys and girls.
Video Eliza.
Wait, why me?
Interview.
Hello.
Hi.
You cannot even see me.
Well, let's do your daddy now.
Interview Eliza, what's going on?
We just came to Boys and Girls Club to pick up a free turkey.
Yeah.
He's not even looking.
Hello.
Not even looking. Huh?
You
Come
can
on,
see your
Ethan,
pants.
can you take control?
Oh no.
Oh my god, do it over.
Bro.
God, I gotta edit that. Go, interview.
So we just came to Boys and Girls Club to pick up a free turkey.
Free
for
turkey, yeah.
You're a
Oh yeah?
yes. What?
Oh man, wrong side.
Looky, daddy.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here, along with the kiddos.
Hello.
That was a rough start of the video, right guys? I was really shaky, do apologize, but we got some free food from the Boys and Girls Club. That's what Miss Eliza said, right Eliza?
Yes.
Yeah, it's actually back there in the truck bed, and it's actually cooking, so we have to bring it in once we decide where we're gonna fly the drone, and that's what we're gonna do, guys. Next, we're gonna fly the drone, guys. Where you guys wanna fly the drone?
Park.
Where in Kapaa? Where?
What park?
Park.
But a park?
Yeah, like
Which park?
Which park though?
the one like we were swimming last time.
You know what? No, let's go up Wailua house slots. Homesteads this time.
No.
Homesteads this time, guys. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can go fly by the reservoir. Yeah, by the reservoir. I think I have enough gas. Okay, guys, let's go up Wailua Homesteads, which is behind the Sleeping Giant, which is right over there. Look how beautiful that is. We'll try and capture the reservoir over there. We'll probably fly it from inside the truck, because I know there's a whole bunch of mosquitoes up there. Right, guys?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Swimming right there in the water.
Oh, yeah?
Right there.
Interview, Ethan. Where we at, Ethan boy?
And my bushy.
What you said?
It's like Wailua.
And my bushy.
Yeah, we're over here in Wailua, guys. Look how beautiful it is.
Some fishy.
Beautiful.
I wonder if we get to that island.
Wait, what was that?
Island.
What you mean? By walking?
You see that like there's like a little trail there?
Yeah, that one right there, yeah.
Could you just like walk or something over?
Oh, I don't know, but yeah, we're over here at the reservoir, guys. Check it out. I'm gonna fly the drone. Get some nice, beautiful. Oh, you see fish?
Yeah.
I see one.
Do you
Look
see
at
it?
that.
And they're like moving.
I like the trees, guys. Look at that. Look at the beautiful trees.
That's a bird.
It could be shocking.
Water.
What?
Mhm.
They're just jumping up.
Okay, I'm gonna set up the drone, guys.
White line is that?
I'm gonna set up the drone and give you guys some nice forest drone action, guys. Hope you guys like it. Let's go.